All right, this is the 3rd of March of this year. It's about 10 minutes long. Let's see how this goes. Again, I was exploring the last video, today is technically December the 1st, so we're 9 months prior going back. I won my bankroll up to 950 and then proceeded to lose almost $500 playing, I don't know. I had some lucky tournaments and was playing a little bit outside of my league and just was getting run over at the table. So I've backed up a little bit. I'm trying to recoup. I'm about $600 right now. So it's just very difficult to win consistently. I'm having a still hard time figuring out how to play loose at a table when the guys are just maniacs. Here I am, all in with ace queen once again. Good lord. Ah, yes, the old ace nine call trick. I mean, I can't say I blame him with everybody else playing the way they play, but ouch. And there we go. What do you do? It's very nice. I'm glad I led out after the flop. That was about as miraculous a card as I could hope to draw. Unless the guy's going for the flush. I was gonna say it was a limp, but no, it's like the guy bet 2 times the big blind in first position there. And see, even with ace king, the guy bets back. What do you do? Do you just call and think that he's going for the flush? Do you jam it? Does he have a pair of tens or a pair of sixes? I mean, he could have ace 10, but maybe he would play that in first position that way. Maybe. Hey, it's nice when you take it down and don't have to show. King and a 10. Good God. Now, I allow myself to be a little frustrated when you lose your entire roll with King 10 suited. Just knowing it's his time. He's arrived. Ouch. Man, that's rough. It's one of those, well, anybody could win. Technically, yes, yes, they could in fact win. Yeah, that was a triple up. That's even more brutal in some ways. Ace queen again. All right, put it in. That worked out. Now what's he do? I've lost so much recently that I don't remember what it was like to win. I mean, you tried to limp. You caught a monster with a 10-2. Miss Doyle Brunson. All right. I mean, he could have ace 5. What do you think? It's interesting to see a little 2 times the big blind. This is something that I have experimented with over time. I'm still torn. Again, I don't know when to turn it on and turn it off sometimes. Guesses he's got a king, but let's see. No, he does not. We froze up for a second. Flip, flip. Editing snafu. Yeah, I mean, you got middle pair. Okay. And a stack that scared them enough. Here I go being a wild man. Bottom pair. If they'll keep letting it go, I'll keep limping in and min betting. $40 seconds left. Uh-oh. Come on now. Oh, yeah. Fuck this guy. God damn it. I suspect I am ahead unless the guy has 3-6. Wow. Oof, cleaned that table. It was nice to see me win something. Let's do another one here in just a minute.